YouTube! TriStars, TriStars are checking one more time with a new video again, You know what I mean? And video here now, I just cover up some little details where can set the game right, as in can set every mindset in the right direction, you know what I mean? And the reason why I say this in terms of buying the own truck, I inspire a lot of people, you know what I mean? Getting out there, just be real, just get beyond the fear. You know what I mean? Just for reach the direction you want to reach in life, you have more time, make some risks and take some steps, you see me? But I buy the truck and everything, and me show everybody what I want, everybody love the truck, you know what I mean? We support them, continue to come in, people wish to see this, wish to see that, and, we're very grateful, you know what I mean? Now, that's the nice part. Now, what me never show was the mistake them.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
When it's your time to go buy your truck, you can use them little guidance here and correct it. You know what I mean? And me not going to say, me are the first man to buy truck in foreign. I'm not going to say that. That's not true. You have a lot of Jamaicans. They do them thing. But to always single out and to all sometimes when you unite and thing, more other man that want to make the link cannot do it because we not have the idea, we don't have resources and people. We just always like a fight. I don't know why. I just always think that. You know what I mean? We build to get fight, isn't it? So here we go on now. That being said, it's like this. I'm going to drop a video after this. But the mechanic, so the mechanic I go tell him what him find, what him do. You know what I mean? And all of that, the Jamaican mechanic to answer me and say, so you don't know that video they drop after the 1 year. So no look out for it. So basically now, I'm going to show you what I go on. Because I actually get tricked in buying the truck, And I say get tricked in buying the truck. I mean, there's a little detail, there's a little, I'm going to show you in our video right now, but there's a little thing I never see when I buy the truck. And the reason why it affect me is because when I do my research on the VOLVO truck, the transmission are one of the things where in my interest. I-shift, because the I-shift transmission really and truly will give you a run for your money. And the warranty on the transmission, not care when the warranty on the transmission is always 1.2 km on the transmission. So if you buy the truck used, your transmission will still have a warranty on it. So if any little thing you can carry, will make it check and thing. Based on my experience with driving the VOLVO, I never have any problem with the I-shift transmission, to be honest. So that's what made me more interested in it. Then again, now people that say, we're gonna buy a stick shift, honestly, too much flats to deal with, and trust me, you have to make sure you have the right truck for the job where you want. You don't want to buy one big heavy spec and you not carry every load. You know what I mean? You can buy your stick shift, yes, but the more traffic area you have to deal more time, and basically I want to come off of the long haul thing. So I go then a more round town, like short haul little thing, like really. You know what I mean? So I'm more stop and go and traffic and this and that, and so you automatically be little easier upon you. You know what I mean? So that was me and as I said, I'm first time I do it. I'm first truck, I get it excellent. I've never got brand new. Because I don't throw another thing they go already. Staying at the budget, even though sometimes may look like it will cost more than rate, but you're still balanced, if you understand what I mean. When me done talk, I understand. Alright. Now, buying the truck and going and inspect the truck and everything, to me feel so good to get the truck and buy my truck and know, so well then, the fight has come to, not an end, but the fight has come to this. You know what I mean? TriStars that jump out. And set the game right, But, I mean, upon buying the truck, you know what I mean, I wanted to pay keen attention to that video here. Keen attention. Because sometimes, see some people and them seem like them alright, you know what I mean? You talk to them, then talk to you nice, then deal with you okay, you know what I mean? But everybody have them little ways of doing them thing, you know what I mean? And that 1 year totally catch me off guard. And you see when you buy a truck outside as is, so when you buy it, once the money go across, you don't know it's set. A year thing that for deal with, you see me? Someone don't pay attention to that video because it's not only VOLVO alone you can get inside of the program and do certain things from just off of the dashboard. Many other truck can do it. But more to pay keen attention to this right now. TriStars 13. YouTube, hear me I say. Seeing? What we need to talk about with that video, you know, is to make you know straightforward say. What you need to look out for when you buy this truck, because I'm gonna tell you what going. You know, TriStars, I will keep it real, you know. I always keep it real. You know what I mean? The reason why more time I'm not sure them video at the first get-go is because I don't want to discourage nobody. I don't want nobody want to take on the mission and because of certain little thing. Because people easily switch now. And people easily you know, change their mind off or whatever they want to do just by certain little things. And sometimes we as a person will make the mistake. Don't announce we make a mistake, you know. We just go ahead and go on like say, well then, this is how I really go on and this is how it's set. So here what happened now. Now, I know you wonder why you have the camera turned to the and a chat on this. So here we go, may I answer that for you quick and fast. When you pay attention to that right here, so with the mileage, KM. See that KM here right here, so KM, this is very, very, very important when you go buy any truck. Because I'm going to tell you what happened to me now. You see that KM here, the brother will send me the truck. See, because me so in so much rush to buy the truck. Not even a rush. Me so excited to buy the truck. That little KM right here, so me miss it. Me never see it. Me never see that KM here. I'm going to explain what I'm talking about now. When me buy the truck, the man tell me say 800 miles upon it, which he never lie. But if we're not out there now and I go buy a truck or whatever, anybody wanna ask about anybody I mention anything about truck them say miles, especially in Canada. But I always KM upon the board. What we always just call everything miles. Just always say miles. But in this case, are they actually miles there? And me never previously say MI, not KM. So when me go down and see the 800 pan it, me I say, okay, 800,000 kg. And I say to myself, but me never look out the man go in the system. You understand? Man, go in the VOLVO system. I don't know if I can find it with this. Hold on, hold the camera good. Alright, let's see if I can go into the system. Hold on the people. Alright, see that? The man go into the system. Saying, he go all the way, I think at display go, or he go, let me see if we can go down more. He go vehicle display setting. Him go not language, not unit, date and, I don't know if date and time, or unit. Well, I'm going to go on unit and so I'll go on first. Distance, fuel, no, I know that. I'm come out of that. Alright, that it, distance. Him go right here so and change the K to M. Seeing, when you look, want to look good. Look on the 600 and whatever. Him go right here so and change the KM to MI and press it. I'm press it and show you what I'm going. Watch out now, look on the big change. 422,000. 422,200. That depend it now. So you see, if you don't pay attention and see MI this, I know say I'm actually miles, so 800,000 miles in the truck, you know, brother. When you change over that, you know much? 1.3 million. Whoa. John, no dog. Let me change it back. Before the unit. Right, until I come out height. Alright, bam. I go a unit. Bam. Distance. Bam. Alright, and now I back a KM. Bam, press by the KM. Look on it change. 600 and so you see it? Right, that's what the man. You see how them tricky out there, you know, man. Me I tell you, you know, have to be careful here. So me I going this as a heads up because that catch me off guard. Because anyhow, I didn't know say so much upon it. me would give him the money when I give. You see me I say? So that me I try to tell us that everybody trick you out there when they do them thing, but not to just be careful. But what me feel good say now is a Volvo truck, so that means say the engine never ready for go yet. When we actually go and check it out, it's still in tic-tac condition, even though I 1.3 dip on it. So at that time me kind of me luck. So me I telling them from now, so don't make that mistake here. Make sure you say, oh no, pay attention. No, tell me now. Jeez, yeah, man, yo. John, what dog, really dog. You see me, but here one now, I'm gonna tell you this, because me have a video gonna drop, because somebody asked me when me think at the right time to buy a truck. I'm gonna have a video to drop for that, and I don't want the person miss that video, you know. Me do it already, me do it about 2-3 weeks ago. You know what I mean? Right after I get the email, I do the video. But me have to drop them thing here first before I actually jump out and show them what I want and tell you what I want, you know what I mean? And all of them, I'm going to state another video that I'm going to make you know straightforward why I'm never even to worry, even though this come up on me, you know what I mean? So, you know, I want you to watch the video after this, because I have a mechanic video I drop, you know what I mean? Some more you pre after this, and you get more details in another video there, because the mechanic tell you as it is, you know what I mean? Someone to see it. Don't miss that video there. And my tip, I'll give it to you right now. Find a good mechanic for carry with you when you go buy a truck. Which we should have been know that long time, but sometimes when I tell you the honest truth. Sometimes we are deal with business, we are cheap out for owner business, you know what I mean? We are spending so much money in the things that we want, but yet still we are cheap out on certain things. Because really and truly, you know, we could actually get a mechanic figure, you know. But what? Through me a priest, boy. No, I can't go there because I know what I look for. So I can't go there go pre me thing, and because I don't have a little idea and rare. But what may I hide from? Maybe spend 1-2 days or 1-3 days to carry a mechanic with me or something like that. You know what I mean? Where basically now would have saved me 1-3 grand or more. You know what I mean? But because I don't cheap out, don't do it, please. You know what I mean? This is my advice to them. So one can understand it. You know, sometimes we know it ourselves, but sometimes because we are really and truly our pressure depends on you as the individual. You're gonna need it, you know. Just by yourself alone, you know, excited, and you have so much to look for in the couple of time we have when the person we that actually carry them know exactly what they might look for. That is wrong. You have so much things by your head. You're a driver, not a mechanic, but you know some mechanic work. But anyway, that being said, you know, me do what I need to do, and when stay tuned, see me, I'm still there, truck up and live. You know, I'm gonna tell them everything I want. But anyway, I'm not gonna keep this too long, but I'm happy for the support. You know what I mean? I'm thankful for the great email them. I mean, a subscriber send me an email already. I'm gonna do a video upon it. I'm ready to talk about it yet. Big up yourself, my Dan. I'm gonna set this, my peeps, and show them what I go on. Try start strucking. I mean, I say, respect and thanks to tuning in, and respect to all our subscribers, them, man. You don't know, me have a little task again in the want everybody on the channel here right now. Want to know, pick on a favorite video on the channel and just give me a share on a WhatsApp or on Facebook page, you know what I mean? Respect and thanks for your support. You know, me I see if we can reach a 2,000 subscribers before me let go the subscribers counting, you know what I mean? And that me a way upon. So if I let it go, me reach 2,000. That's the thing. If them reach 2,000 subscribers, then just let it go. You see me? But respect and thanks for your support. I mean, not like me see the support, me see it, and me can feel the energy, and it give me the boost to make more video. And I'm grateful, you know what I mean? So enough being said. Thanks again, and I try stars. Peace.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.